Hello, it's a great day here at Good Works Auto Repair in sunny Tempe, Arizona. Today we're going to be talking about oils. If your vehicle calls for a semi-synthetic oil, you can still use synthetic, and I would say you probably should. They're really better for your vehicle, and they come in a variety of ways. The difference is the way that they're molecularly engineered. They make those molecules smaller and smaller, and the additives that they put in there to fortify, make sure that they don't lose viscosity or thickness. You always want to make sure that you're using the right one. As braking systems become more sophisticated, you have more braking surface, you need more pressure to hold those bigger brakes. Always make sure that wherever you're going, that they're adding the proper fluids to your vehicle, because if not, you're not going to get the results that you expect. The transmissions that have been built for the last 20 to 30 years, depending on the manufacturer, actually have an electronic control module inside of the transmission. It's inundated or soaked in transmission fluid. That thing not only has to send electronic signals, but there's also solenoids that actually are shifting your transmission. Now it's all done electronically. Why do they do that? Fuel efficiency. When your car needs to shift, it'll shift it quicker, and they've added more speeds. The importance of not only having the right fluid, but servicing it with the frequency that you should are so crucial to that thing shifting right. Looking at the full synthetics, which is what most every transmission has used in the last 10 to 15 years, they have what they call friction modifiers that they put in transmission fluid, which is essential. The friction modifier makes those clutches grab the way they're supposed to. It eliminates or reduces slippage to a minimum, therefore not dumping a bunch of burned up material down into your transmission fluid and contaminating it. So it's really important to use the right fluid for the right vehicle, for the right transmission. The last thing I'm going to touch in on is power steering fluid. If you still are driving a car that has power steering fluid, you want to make sure that that is ILSAC rated or API rated, to make sure that you have got the exact fluid that you're supposed to be using, because using something else is going to cause leakage of your seals, leakage of the hoses, leakage of the rack itself, and those are expensive repairs. So ILSAC is an international oil scientific company, and API is the American Petroleum Institute, and they determine that these are the specific oils that are best for the way that that engine was designed. Glen speaking from Good Works Auto Repair in sunny Tempe, Arizona. We are one of the quality NARPRO shops, the neighborhood auto repair professionals. You can find us at goodworksautorepair.com or NARPRO online